Hello everyone, my name is Marcelo, I'm speaking from Brazil. I will present my final project, Jupyter Docker Management. My project was develop a web application that allows the administration of isolated Jupyter dev environment via Docker containers. That's login page. We have a menu bar. We have a administration menu, and in this screen we can list the users. We can create new user, and we put the name and the email. We can set this user as administration of the system. When we castrate the user, the system create the default password. Okay, we can delete users. Okay, it's good. Okay, we have a screen to change the actual password, and the principal is the home page. In the home page, we can start, stop, and access our unique server, Jupyter server. I access the backend now. We don't have Docker run. We now start Docker. Start server. We have a master server was initiated, and we can now access the server. Each server was mapped to TCP port. We can now access my environment. That's my unique environment. We can access now the backend. Now in backend we can see that I have my container with name Jupyter server 1. I can access now another user. Forgot. I have another user here. When I access the new account, the system asks me to change actual password. Okay, change password. Home. I need the new environment. Access. That's another environment, unique. By that's a user. Another user. Go to backend. We can now two different environments: Jupyter Server 7, Jupyter Server 1. Each one to one user separately. In home screen, I can stop the server. Okay, that's it. Thank you.